Hello, and thank you for choosing Bosch Remote Diagnostics. In this video, we'll show you how to create and complete your first remote diagnostic session, from start to finish. This guide assumes you have already completed the setup of your garage account. This diagram shows all the elements of the system, from your workshop to the cloud and the Bosch Service Center. While it may look complicated, the process for you is actually very straightforward. It all begins with creating a new session request in the portal, and there are 3 ways to do it. Option 1. Go directly to the website at www.bosch-remotediagnostics.com. Option 2. Click the Remote Diagnostics tile in your EasyTronic. Then choose Order New Case. And Option 3 is to use the Workshop Assist mobile app, which is covered in its own separate video guide. For this video, we'll focus on the first 2 methods. Whichever one you choose, the portal will open in your browser, and you can then log in using your single key ID. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main requests page. Since this is your first time, the list will be empty. To begin, click the New Request button. Step 1. Vehicle details. First, provide the information for the vehicle you're working on. It is crucial to be accurate here, especially with the VIN, as our remote agent uses this to prepare for the session. When you're done, click Next. Step 2. Service details. Here, select your VCI and the type of service you need from the drop-down menus. Since the service types are quite generic, provide as much detail as you can in the comment box. This really helps the agent prepare in advance. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Choose a time slot. Now simply select a date and time from the available slots, then click Next. Step 4. Review and submit. The final screen will show you a summary of your request. Take a moment to review all the details. If everything is correct, click Submit. And that's it! Your request has been created and will now appear on your homepage. On the day of your booked session, the first thing you'll need is your session ID. You can find this in the confirmation email that was sent when you created the booking. Next, it's time to prepare the vehicle and your equipment. Let's run through the essential hardware checklist. 1. Connect the vehicle to a suitable battery support unit. 2. Connect the KTS to your laptop with a USB cable and to the vehicle's OBD port. 3. Connect your laptop to the internet with an Ethernet cable. And 4. Make sure the laptop is connected to mains power with its sleep mode disabled. With the vehicle ready and your session ID handy, go into EasyTronic, click the Remote Diagnostics tile and select Start Remote Session. This will prompt you to enter your session ID, type it in and click Start Session. The session window will now open, and once connected, the chat function will be active. The remote agent may message you, or you can simply send a message to let them know you're ready. One final point, during this initial connection, the remote diagnostics software may start to update. Please don't be concerned if this happens. The update is fully automatic and there is no need for you to do anything. Just let the process complete on its own. When the remote agent is ready, they will connect to your vehicle to begin the session. Your screen will then change to the active session view. From this point on, it is critical that you follow 2 simple rules. First, do not interact with the vehicle in any way. Don't press pedals or turn the key, unless the agent specifically instructs you to in the chat. Second, do not use the diagnostic laptop for any other purpose while the session is active. On the left-hand side, you'll see a status panel that both you and the agent can see. The 2 most important indicators are internet quality and battery voltage. If either of these are not sufficient, the agent will not be able to continue and may give you advice on how to fix it. The remote agent is now in control. Your main job is simple. Monitor the chat window for any instructions. For example, the agent may ask you to switch the ignition on or off. If there is a long process involved, like an ECU update, the agent will let you know. In these cases, you won't need to constantly monitor the chat, and they will tell you how to stay in contact. One crucial point about communication: the remote agent cannot see your vehicle. They rely completely on you for feedback. If the agent asks you to do something, like switch on the ignition, you must reply with done or something similar in the chat. This confirms you have completed the action, so they know it is safe to proceed. When the agent has completed the task, they will let you know in the chat. and a session completed message will appear. At this point, simply click the Exit Session button. This returns you to the portal screen. After a few minutes, you will see the status of the session update to resolved, and the chat transcript will be available to view. And that's it. Now you know how to create and complete a remote session. If you haven't already, be sure to watch our other video guides covering how to finalize your account setup and connect your hardware.